helping the blind to see. A protein implant derived from pigskin could restore a blind person's vision, according to a new study. Researchers found no one who underwent the operation still dealt with blindness 2 years later. Also, 3 people who were blind ended up with 20/20 vision after the groundbreaking procedure. Hi there. I'm the Study Finds guy, Jeff Allen, and this is the latest from Study Finds. Please be sure to like and subscribe to get all of the latest updates. The implant made out of collagen protein from a pig's skin resembles the human cornea, the outermost transparent layer of the eye. Damaged or diseased corneas cause blindness in more than 12 million people around the world. A team from Sweden recruited 14 blind people and 6 partially sighted people in India and Iran. Participants suffered from the disease keratoconus, where the cornea becomes so thin it can lead to blindness. Study authors found none of the 14 participants who had been blind before that had the operation were still blind afterwards. Also, no one reported any complications during the operation or after a 2-year follow-up. Just an 8-week course of eye drops was enough to stop a patient's eye from rejecting the implant. With conventional corneal transplants, it can take several years of medication before experiencing full recovery. Currently, just 1 in 70 people who need a cornea transplant can get one. Should this procedure prove effective in larger studies, it promises to bring sight to a lot more people. Researchers say this new transplant is capable of mass production and has a shelf life of 2 years, while donated corneas from humans must reach patients within 2 weeks. The surgery in this new procedure is also way less intrusive and barely requires any stitches, if any at all. With conventional corneal transplants, it can take several years of medication before patients fully recover. The next step will be larger clinical trials. Now, you can check out more on this and other studies by clicking the link in the description below and head on over to studyfinds.com.